The UNI-SHINE 7-inch LED headlight set offers a notable upgrade for anyone seeking enhanced visibility and aesthetic appeal for their vehicles, particularly compatible with various Wrangler models, JK, LJ, TJ, CJ. This product is designed with both functionality and safety in mind, delivering high and low beam options that provide a powerful output necessary for nighttime driving or adverse weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, which is a significant advantage for DIY enthusiasts. The round design seamlessly fits into the standard headlight housing, ensuring a quick swap with your existing lights. Additionally, the DOT approval signifies that these headlights meet regulatory standards, assuring users of their safety and reliability. One of the standout features of the UNI-SHINE headlights is the impressive luminosity. The brightness levels are substantially higher than traditional halogen bulbs, offering clear visibility at extended distances.